awesome guys, this is me, Asen. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to check out my playlist. It's amazing!
Amazing. You're so amazing.
This position is so amazing. Oh my gosh, it's a little hard to remove it. I can jump. I can jump. It's so amazing. I can jump. Jump very high. I can jump. Jump normal like here. Or jump very high. Or jump. Or just roll. Pillow pose. That's funny. But don't worry.
Burpees.
Yes, I will do it.
Amazing. That's one thing time. And burpees. Amazing twist. You forgot to twist your... Burpees first. Burpees. I love the burpees. Burpees some more. There's mountain climbing. Burpees and a jump. You forgot to jump. And then go back there. No, longer time of burpees. Longer time. There, many times. Remember what Kuya Gift told you? There. Then you need to rest. Amazing. Thank you.
I jump so high. Or I can jump roll. Woo! My roll is just like this. Woo! Amazing.
Jump again. You can show the beautiful jump.
I can jump at the same time. Do anything else.
The high jump. Show the high jump. Amazing. The burpees. Show the burpees. So amazing. Mason twist. That's Mason twist. Tell them that this is Mason twist.
There's Mason twist at the same time.
Jumping jack.
Again. Yes, jumping jacks.
Here, go down to the jumping jacks.
Amazing. It's an amazing combination of exercise. Out of breath.
Out of breath. Okay, out of breath. Rest. Just show that.
I'm rest because I'm out of breath.
Say thank you.
Thank you for watching video.
Water.
Hi, awesome guys. This is me, Asen. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and please check out my playlist. It's amazing.